Creative Songwriting Expert Track. This special Expert Track 3-in-1 course combines elements of our more challenging songwriting courses, the creative process, content and genre, and lyric writing. If you've got a solid foundation in songwriting and you want to explore further, then this is the ideal bundle for performers, producers, writers and hobbyists everywhere. Through a mix of video, reading and hands-on tasks, you'll learn how to generate new ideas, beat writer's block and form drafted concepts into fully crafted works. You'll also explore and experiment with a range of exciting genres, from country to electronica, developing your song ideas for each and a polished piece in 2 styles. Finally, you'll cover co-writing in depth, including different approaches, the art of collaboration and forming songwriting relationships. Covering 15 modules and 79 lessons, do it all online and in any order, and even dip back in once you've finished. It's everything you need to grow from an advanced to an expert songwriter, and all at your own pace.